I'm Alan from Warrnambool, Victoria. I purchased 2 EzyFit Roller Shutters through Bunnings in Warrnambool. I have already installed one and I am about to install the second one here. I ordered the EzyFit Roller Shutters at Bunnings and they were delivered directly from the EzyFit factory to my address. All the components come securely packed with easy to follow instructions. The roller shutter is now fully installed and is perfect for protecting this visitor's bedroom from the afternoon's summer sun, as well as from the strong westerly winds that sometimes blow in from the coast. And when finished, this visitor's room will be nice and cosy on winter nights thanks to the EzyFit Roller Shutter. EzyFit Roller Shutters are great value and anyone can install them. The EzyFit team are very helpful if you have any questions or special needs for your job. The step-by-step instructions are simple to follow and you will have no trouble.